morning student. Now today we are going to start new topic, new chapter in geography, chapter number 3, that is drainage. Generally, drainage means what? Drainage means when water flow from higher level to lower level. What is drainage? When water flow from higher level to lower level, it is called drainage. In one line, apart from a river system of an area known as drainage. River system of an area known as drainage. So what is river system? Question arises. So river system means when a river along with small tributary flow in a different direction, it is called river system. So in this chapter we will learn about the Indian river system, because in India we have number of rivers. For example, Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Gandak, Ghaggar, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi. Numerous rivers we have in India. So where from the river rises, where they flow, and how many area they cover, what about their length, they have water throughout the year or they are seasonal river. These kinds of things we are going to study in this chapter. So you need to understand first about drainage. So what is drainage? River system of an area or direction of water from higher to lower level known as a drainage. Second, in this chapter you will learn about water divide. What is water divide? Question arises. Water divide means when any elevated area, elevated means उठा हुआ, जैसे ये देख रहे हैं आप यहाँ पे, ये उठा हुआ सा एक अर्थ सरफेस है. Any elevated area that separates river system into two drainage valleys. You can see river are divided here into two parts. One from here and second here. So when any elevated area divides water into two drainage basin, that is called water divide. I repeat, what is water divide? So any uplifted area such as a hill or mountain, divide drainage basin into two river system, it is called water divide. For example, Ambala water divide. What is Ambala water divide? One of the good example of water divide. So now I think clear that what is drainage. Drainage means removing of water from one place to another place. When water flow from one place to different direction, it is called drainage system. Apart from that, in this lesson you will learn number of things, some important terms also, like tributary, distributary, water divide, and some patterns also. But that I will explain you further. But now I am going to teach you about drainage system of India. So India drainage system has been divided into two sections. Let me explain again. Our Indian drainage system has been divided into two systems. That is, first one, Himalayan river system, and second one, First one is what? Himalayan river system, and second one peninsular river system. So Indian drainage system has been divided into two sections. Which one? First one is a Himalayan river system, second one is a peninsular river system. So what is Himalayan river system? Himalayan river system means rivers, those are rises from the Himalayan region. It is called Himalayan river system. And peninsular river system means river, those are rises from peninsula part of India. So you need to understand what is Himalayan river system and what is peninsular river system. Again, I would like to say Himalayan river system means when you see the map of India, so these are the Himalayan region. From when the river rises from the Himalayan region, it is called Himalayan river system, and this is a peninsula part of India. From here there are a number of river rises from the peninsula. So in this chapter you will find some differences also. What is the difference between Himalayan river and peninsular river? So Himalayan river have water throughout the year. Peninsular river, they don't have a water throughout the year. Okay, this is a very simple difference between Himalayan river and peninsular river. I repeat, what is Himalayan river? Himalayan river means a river, those are rises from the Himalayan region, from here, Himalayan region, and they have water throughout the year. But what is peninsular river? Peninsular river means the river, those are rises from the peninsula part of India, and they don't have water throughout the year. Apart from that, Himalayan river also called perennial river. So now new term came, perennial river. You can see here, perennial river. Himalayan rivers also called perennial rivers. So perennial rivers means a particular